Fighting crime and reinforcing a culture of lawfulness. That's the main objective of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. To achieve this crime-free, lawful and orderly society, the High Command has embarked on a number of strategies, among them increasing the number of police personnel. 244 new recruits recently graduated from the Police Academy in Twickenham Park, St. Catherine. The National Security Minister urged the new cops to carry out their duties with enthusiasm, but warned them to remain professional.
There are going to be many temptations out there as you are deployed. There are many who will try to corrupt you, but let me warn you, please don't risk your career and reputations.
Beyond the encouragement to avoid corruption, the police hierarchy is making it harder for corrupt individuals to get into the force. All recruits now have to go through a more rigorous vetting process.
We recruited some 330 recruits to join the police force. They are now in the training institution being trained. And we ensured that we implemented, even in the short period, much more stringent vetting arrangements for them.
This includes polygraph testing.
Whoever fails will go home.
The police are also getting more equipment to help bolster their operations. 60 motorcycles valued at $58 million were recently deployed for operational purposes across the island. It was the largest purchase and deployment of motorbikes in many years. The St. Elizabeth Agro Enforcement Team also received a Toyota Hilux pickup to beef up the fight against predial larceny. The $4.9 million pickup was donated by BMR Jamaica Wind Limited. It's now assigned to the Malvern Police. And there's more to come. Through a partnership with the United States Bureau of International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs INL, Jamaica should get about 4,000 non-lethal weapon kits.
The INL has arranged for us to receive just about 260 body cameras for deployment across a number of units at Hunts Bay, Halfway Tree, Central Police Station and Ellison Road Police Stations.
Guns are a significant problem in Jamaica, and that is why we have to move to do something about it.
And so the JCF has launched the Get the Guns campaign to seize illegal guns and ammunition used by criminals.
Our intention is to seize illegal guns well above the current annual rate of 600. We need this initiative to help to reduce gun violence in Jamaica. We will increase island-wide searches and seizure operations of particularly targeting illegal firearms. We will reduce the free movement of illegal guns through heightened presence and activities of police on our road network. We will provide incentives to police divisions and police stations and police officers even who have seized the largest numbers of illegal firearms. We will introduce coastal watches similar to neighborhood watch programs that you're all familiar with for the towns and communities along the sea coast. We will boost our marine fleet for greater patrolling and monitoring of our coastlines.
We strongly endorse this initiative as a private sector organization of Jamaica. We are confident that the move that the Commissioner is making today is the right one, given the level of gun violence that we've seen reported.
I'm asking all law-abiding citizens for their patience as we continue with the curfews and cordon and search operations to ferret out the criminals from their midst. Going forward, the Police High Command will continue to move and reallocate resources as necessary and implement initiatives to reduce crime and violence. I believe that together, united as a people under God, we can defeat the criminal elements, and I call upon all well-thinking Jamaicans to join us in our efforts to restore our country to a peaceful and law-abiding society.